This video is about removing fake human verification alerts, which are coming from the site News-nafise.cc. Of course, the name of this website doesn't really make any sense at all. But the website News-nafise.cc is extremely malicious. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The truth is that it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow. And if you do that, the browser will be hijacked with multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow button, you should urgently implement some browser fixes, and this is how you do that. Go to the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Now pay attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this News-nafise.cc, make sure you remove it from the list. In order to make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium License to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.